Welcome to this fifth lesson of Unit 0 of my Java course. Today we will talk about escape sequence. Now, the meaning of the escape sequence and its uses. As usual, you will now copy this code on BlueJ, and after we will discuss it. Now, copying this code could be a little bit more challenging. This time there are a lot of special symbols without much meaning, but try to copy as you see this, compile, and after, when you execute this, you should see something like this, a kind of wow. Now, what the meaning of this? What the purpose of this quite strange text? I want to show you the escape sequences. What if, for example, I want to print quotation mark? Quotation mark are, for example, here in print, or in println, it's the same. You print usually what is between the two quotation mark. But if I want to put a quotation mark inside a quotation mark and print it, how I will do? I will put before the quotation mark this symbol called backslash. And now we will see 5 different escape sequences. The first one, double quote, represent a quotation mark. The second, single quote. Now we have this. This is a little bit strange and mean tabulation. Tab. Maybe you use, maybe not, but tab leave a set number of column and move forward. So let's look here and look at the code. When you do this tab, you basically leave the first, usually 4, but could change, depend, 4 space empty. So this means begin after 4 space, and after is another space and this. And putting this in the beginning of each print makes you sure to align this. It begins all at the same column, even if it's not the first column. So this is quite useful. We will see more later. Backslash n is new line. Basically, go to a new line. You can see here, backslash n is not a print ln, so a print can behave like a print ln, but just put backslash n at the end of it. And now, if I want just to print a backslash, is double backslash. Now, let's look at this example. Do not copy now this. Just look at this and write down what you think will be printed. In our PDF, you can have the space here, so you can evaluate this program. You write here below what you think will be printed, in which way you think the compiler will interpret this and will print. Now take some time, and when you've done, unfreeze the video. Now for check the result, let's compile the program and let's do this. And now let's comment line by line. Now you will see that the first lovers is written here. After we have a backslash n, so new line, and backslash t, tabulation. Here are 7, 4, 6, 7, or 8. Again, it really depends by the system. Sometimes it's 4, sometimes it's 7, sometimes it's 8. but it's all the same, as you see. Now, lovers in the stormy blast, \n, so again, we go on the new line. Concatenation, \t, so we move here, and lovers by the wind harassed, \n, so new line, \t, again, tabulation, aligning here, lovers whipped by the hurricane, concatenation, \n, so I am here, but after the concatenation, I go to the new line and tab. Love. Now, new line and tabulation, so I go new line and tabulation, and only then I do concatenation again. I have enough of you and your picnic. Now, I hope it's a bit clear. This is a bit, you understand what we are doing here. And if you have any question, please send me an email. Now, let's look at another exercise. Now, this is called a code fragment, a snippet. Now, try to evaluate this. Again, you can write on a paper. You can write here. I give you the space to write the result of this. And after you have done, unfreeze the video. Now, to evaluate this code fragment, we can copy it if you want to check your result, and after use the interpreter here. So you can paste and delete the last symbol, okay? But before do return, let's look at the result we guess. Not we guess, we evaluate. Now, println 1, so if print 1, the space is invisible, and new line. After print 2, there is one space here, you can see, and no println, so we'll not go to the new line. And after we print 3 and new line. So what we expect is exactly this. Now, let's do return. Let's try to find our terminal, and you can see 1, 2, 3, the same as we did. Now, for today's lesson is all. See you next time.